So in the last video, we saw that it's possible to perform actions which really we didn't program to prevent our application from getting into illegal state. For instance, in our Blackjack application, a player was able to draw out about 50 cards, and eventually they drew one more, and it crashed the program because there was no more cards to deal out. So what we're going to look at in this video is how to prevent that. So let's say that we want to make sure that the application never gets screwed up when someone's dealing. Well, let's consider the constraints of what the deck should be like when someone is dealing. Really, we should make sure that if the state of the deck, well, let's make sure that if it has less than 4 cards, we're trying to deal 4 cards out right here. So if it has less than 4 cards, let's just return the initial state. So refuse to deal if there aren't enough cards to deal out. And similarly, we can do that with the hit, which is, we can say, if, I'll write the comment first, refuse to deal a card to the player if there are no cards to deal out. So we can write the same logic. We can say if the state of the deck's length is less than 1, simply return the state. And there's actually another version of this, which is to say, we can say if the hand value of the state of the player's hand is greater than or equal to 21, well, what we should do is we should not allow them to hit. Don't allow the player to take more cards when they've achieved or exceeded the maximum cap of 21 points. So really what we're doing is we're just adding some more logic into our reducer, which just makes sure that our application continues to do reasonable things. So let's try and play the game again and see if it plays any differently. So I'm going to shuffle the deck, and I want to deal out some cards. Looks like the dealer already won here, actually. I'm going to try and hit, and I'm at 20. And I'm going to try and hit again. Oh, it let us do it. Well, the nice thing is that Redux is making this, it should make this easier for us to debug as well. In fact, I think that made total sense. We were at 20, and we hit, and we drew a jack, and so we went from 20 to 30. I think that we should not be allowed to hit again. Yes. So now we are not allowed to take any more cards because now we've actually drawn enough.